The story of the digital bamboo scroll. Long ago, in the ancient kingdoms of Asia, knowledge was carved into bamboo scrolls. Each strip carried words of wisdom, history, and tradition. Today, we no longer carve into bamboo, but perhaps in this digital age, we are still writing scrolls of our own. This is the story of four boys who discovered a bridge between culture and technology. The library. The boys enter a modern library filled with tablets, holographic projectors, and a glass display case holding an old bamboo scroll.
Whoa! Look at all this tech! Holograms, digital shelves, even AI tutors. Forget the scrolls, Arvin. Just ask the AI for answers. It's faster.
But look at this. A real bamboo scroll. Do you guys know what that means?
Historically, bamboo scrolls were among the earliest medium for preserving knowledge in Asia. They are fragile, but they carried wisdom that lasts centuries.
Imagine if we combine the tradition with today's technology.
And so, curiosity sparked. The boys gathered around the bamboo scroll, wondering how to merge the wisdom of the past with the innovations of the present. The idea.
Okay. Picture this. What if we scan the scroll, digitize it, and then upload it into a hologram system? Like a virtual museum.
But if we only digitize it, we lose the spirit. The scroll is more than words, it's heritage.
Actually, both of you have point. Preservation needs accuracy, but also respect for culture.
So, let's create a digital bamboo scroll. A project that keeps the stories alive while making them accessible to everyone.
The boys decided to work together. Each had a role. Arvin on coding, Mateo on cultural research, Kenji on interface design, and Liam on system logic. But challenges awaited. The struggle.
Oh, the holograms is glitching. The scroll character don't display properly. And that's because ancient scripts don't translate smoothly into digital fonts.
See, that's what I was worried about. You can't just force tradition into technology. It has to be handled with care.
Then we need to design a custom system that adapts to the scroll original form, not to change it, but to protect it.
Exactly. Respect first, innovation second.
Slowly, through late nights and shared effort, the boys managed to balance culture and technology. They built a holographic bamboo scroll, one that not only preserved the ancient writing, but also told its story aloud, with images, voices, and translations. The presentation. The boys unveiled their project in front of their classmates and teachers.
Ready? Launching the digital bamboo scroll.
A holographic scroll unrolls midair, glowing with ancient characters. As it opens, voices narrate the stories inside.
This isn't just about reading history, it's about experiencing it.
With this, people from all over the world can access tradition that were once locked away in fragile scrolls.
It proves that technology does not erase culture, it can protect and amplify it.
And as the scroll unfolded, the room filled with awe. The past and the present had merged, not in conflict, but in harmony.
It's like the ancestors are speaking again, but now to the future.
We didn't just save old knowledge, we gave it a new life. Technology isn't the end of tradition, it's the bridge.
And as long as we balance respect with innovation, that bridge will stand strong.
Thus ends the tale of Digital Bamboo Scroll, a story reminding us that the culture and technology are not rivals, but partners. In every click, every code, every innovations, we are still writing scrolls. Scrolls for the next generation to read.